Okay, he likes to drink his water, so I'm not gonna give him his water. Here you go. Go ahead. Go ahead, drink your waters. And he said he likes to drink his sink water. Go ahead, man. Go ahead, drink as much as you want. Go ahead. Drink as much as you want. I told Don that's what you wanted. I told him. And you don't listen. I told him. You drink it like it's a water fountain. Because that's what you like. I told him. I told you, Pooh. He wanted the sink water. And he's still drinking it. Pretty much like a water fountain. He's still drinking it. Oh, that's right. Go ahead, man. Drink your sink water. Oh, he loved the sink water. I told you. I'll wait until you finish. And when you finish, I'll take you out the bathroom. Because that's where you're going, out this bathroom. Wow. Go ahead, fans.